I'm so sorry. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a very special video for you today. I got the opportunity to drive the Traxxas X-Maxx. You can see it there. It is so much bigger than the Traxxas Haas. It makes the Haas look freaking tiny. My friend was nice enough to let me drive his souped up Traxxas X-Maxx. I would let you guys know what is under the hood of that thing, but honestly, I don't know anything about the X-Maxx. One day we're gonna get one and we're gonna just send it and see what that thing can do. That thing is souped up from head to toe, all new electronics, new motor, probably shocks, everything. That's probably like over a $2,000 X-Maxx there. I got to drive it and I think I broke it. So let's get into this. Stick around for the Traxxas X-Maxx and the Haas comparison. My buddy drives the Haas around. It's gonna be super fun. Make sure you like and subscribe for more RC content. I appreciate you guys being here. Let's get into this.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna shower.
Okay.
Are the dogs put away then?
Yeah.
The first one.
They're here.
Okay.
Cole's out back.
1,
Liam,
2.
you wanna go drive that?
1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
I'm gonna drive the first one.
This one, the fast one?
The first one.
All right. Someone's excited. Fast one. What's so going on, guys? Today, we're driving the Traxxas Haas with a souped up X-Maxx. Oh, hey, buddy. You're gonna drive, we're gonna drive the big one. Yeah. Yeah, you can turn it on. Let me plug it in. Yep. Okay, turn it on. All right, you did it.
Nice.
Fan's kind of full of dirt.
What did you say you had to fix on it?
Uh-oh.
Oh, the steering servo?
Yeah, it was just a screw. I just took it out of the Stampede.
Put a drum locker on
I didn't. It should be fine. All right. All right.
Let's go, yeah,
Careful.
wheelie.
Go do some wheelies.
Wheelie.
Jumps and wheelies? All right, let's do it. That thing is huge. I've never seen one in real life. Oh, that is crazy.
it. They're giant.
Oh, Liam, look at that big one. You want to see the big one go? Probably scared of it at first.
I'll go slow.
I just have to full throttle it because I'm terrified. I didn't think they were that big. Holy cow. That's like a go-kart or something. Oh my gosh. We can just walk around, I don't know, go on the grass. There's no cars here, so it's kind of nice. Should we do a drag race? Yeah, but you can't run me over. Ready, Liam? No! Ah! Okay, I want a rematch. I have the tendency to just floor it and I did a wheelie that whole time. Yeah, I'm gonna start off slower so I keep my wheels down. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, careful! Oh my gosh, dude!
Tried to do it to catch you, but
That thing,
what, my bad.
you're good. That thing like went completely up in the air. It looked like it was gonna flip over. Oh boy. I can't even believe how big that thing is. It makes mine look like a little Matchbox car.
1 to 1. Let's go one more time.
One more time. You're just gonna swerve over and run me over.
That would be a good
That would be a good strategy. If there was money on the line, maybe. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, come on! No! Keep your front end down! Oh, you got me. No, you're good.
Here, go straight.
Okay. I'm scared.
Remember, it's for sale.
Okay.
If you break it, you buy it.
I'm not gonna break it. Oh, there's water down there. Oops, sorry. It cut out. This thing's pretty responsive though. Like, it's surprising how good it. Gosh, look at it just sway around.
ABC turned up to the one on all the way.
It's fine. Oh no, it's good. See the big one? Yeah, Bobby's driving the green one. This thing would snap your leg right in half. I wonder how it is stock. Like how it would be. Just like real sluggish. Like obviously still fast, but
Yeah, I want to say they do low 40s, but I'm not sure.
I think I've gone half throttle so far.
Yeah.
Just because I feel like it's gonna, like, I don't know, it's so big. I feel like it's just gonna like disintegrate. All right, let's open this thing up a little bit. Oh, there it goes. Oh my gosh. Jeez. You can just fly around with that Haas though, and it looks so small and sad. Liam, it's okay, buddy. You see that big one? That one's called the big one. Yeah, and the fast one. Oh, you see that jump, buddy? Yeah, we need like a big strip with no cars. I'm so sorry. I just was like, all right, I'm gonna give it the full throttle. It just flipped right over.
Detectors and stuff.
Okay.
It's all right.
I'm not gonna do that again. That was amazing.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna drive it nice. Do you want to drive it over on the grass? Do you want to try to do it on the grass first, or does it matter? Okay. Okay, push it, buddy. Good job.
Go to the battery down.
Okay, let's go, buddy. Good job waiting to cross the street. Let's go.
Let's go.
Ooh. Liam, come over here, bud.
I see it on the rocks.
Yeah, you see the rocks? You want to see this big one go fast?
Okay. Hey. There's a bus. Oh no!
Here comes a big one.
Here we go.
Whoa.
Let's see you fast.
Have you ever tried going in the rocks with this thing? I would imagine it just would do it so easy. Yeah. But is it bad on like the parts though, like the motor and stuff, to go slow? I'll come back up this way, that's really steep. Here it comes, bud. Oh yeah, like nothing. Oh, I know, right? Yeah, but that's way slower. Okay. You can give it a little bit more juice on the grass though. No, I don't want it all. Okay. It's all right. I just don't want to break it. So if I go full throttle, it won't explode with it right now? Okay, because I still have not really gone full throttle. Okay, yeah, we'll leave it. Just so I can give it a little bit of speed through here. Okay, Liam, ready to go fast? Okay, let's come over here. Whoa, that's cool, huh, Liam? Yeah. Look at this one, bud. Look at that. Oh no.
What was that?
That was Sean.
The first one.
Let's go, you stupid hoss. You're full throttle, I'm going quarter throttle, just like barely getting away from you. Okay, I'm gonna catch you. I was going not even like half throttle. That's crazy. Okay, yeah, you catch me. Oh gosh. I was going like quarter throttle and then gave it half when you started getting right on me. Oh, there's water down there. Oops, sorry.
It's all good. It's mostly waterproof, it should be at least.
Uh-oh. It cut out.
Maybe it's not waterproof.
I just saw like a little bit of water splash up and it shut off.
No.
Better go disconnect the batteries. Oh geez, I hope it's not broken. Whenever I do anything, things get broken.
Your fan's still going. Oh, that's way left down here.
Jeez, it doesn't, it must be like a little puddle down there. It's hard, not even wet in there.
Water's warm, but we'll let it cool off. And
Maybe it's just hot from the grass. Because honestly, it's not even wet besides like...
Ooh, that's hot. Well, we'll see.
Trade you. Wanna drive the fast one? Push it.
On the plus side, we're close to my house.
Have you ever driven a full battery out like that?
On the grass, no.
Yeah, I was not even going full throttle or anything, so it hopefully shouldn't.
Yeah, I keep my finger on it, so it should be fine.
Yeah, push it, buddy. Let's go let that cool down.
Hopefully I'll just sell it. I've still got other cars we can play with.
Yeah, man. Thanks for letting me drive it. I hope nothing's wrong with it. You're just gonna go let it cool down?
Yeah, let it cool down for you.
Okay.
Try and turn it on and go and see what happens.
Sweet. All right, Liam, let's go fast. Oh boy, should we jump it? All right. Liam, you gonna go push it? All right, guys. So that was the X-Maxx. That thing's absolutely insane. He had it to 50% and it was just crazy fast. Like I went full throttle a few times over there and it would do a wheelie and get kind of squirrely and it was super fun. And I would go pretty much full throttle through here, not even really that much, because I just didn't want to break it. And as you can see, when I got down there with it, it hit the water and I don't know, see, it just cut out. Hopefully it's all good. That's why I hate driving other people's stuff, but it happens in this hobby. But I think we're gonna get us an X-Maxx one of these days. But honestly, the Haas is just right in the middle. It's so fun. You can zip around and not worry too much about braking stuff so easy. We've had this thing for quite some time now, and it's given us a lot of fun. I can just freaking zip right through here, full throttle right now. It just takes it. Woo! But yeah, maybe we'll drive his X-Maxx again. He's actually selling it, so that'll be a score for someone who buys that, because it has hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of aftermarket parts on it. But for now, we're just gonna drive the Haas, and I need to get out and clean it really good and start taking care of it a little bit better, but we do what we can do. Is that fun, buddy? Should we do a wheelie? That is so fast, huh? Whoa. We're out of here, buddy. Oh, we are far. Oh, geez. Hopefully no cars come. Come home, buddy. Whoa, we're hitting some bumps. That's what I love about the Haas. Like, with the X-Maxx, I feel like I wouldn't be able to just like be cruising, skirt, do a little bit of 360 action. There's a lot of cool things you could do with that X-Maxx though. You could take it up in the mountains and freaking launch that thing off some big old jumps. We'll get one day. All right, buddy. Think battery's dead. Let's go charge it. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. Driving the Traxxas Haas with the souped up X-Maxx. That was super fun to see the size comparison. It was super fun to drive. I'm really grateful my friend let me do that, and hopefully I didn't break it, because I tend to do that with things. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and nobody shares my videos, so don't even worry about it. Okay. It's hot. It's not too hot though.